Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So today in this video we are going to learn how you can make up to $1,000 per day, per week, or even per month with Amazon, gathering millions of targeted traffic and making sales. It's easier than ever. I hope you are going to like this method, so hope you are going to enjoy it. Let's start the video without wasting any more time. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment, and you can also join our social pages. So here we are going to use this tool today, KDOTCO. Now it's a tool or service for the creators for sharing their product, what they usually use. Now you can see here as a tagline, it's a tool for YouTubers, bloggers or Instagrammers, influencers. Now if you notice the monthly traffic here, you can see it's up to 1 million, and most of the traffic from UK and US and Germany. Okay, now these all are our target traffics for making any type of sales or getting leads. Now for creating your account, it's very easy. You can just make an account here like you do in Facebook, just a email and username, and you can make it. Okay, now as you can see that we got our profile here. Now go for edit profile and give here your information for your social information like your Instagram profile, Twitter profile, or LinkedIn profile details here, and then save it. Okay, now when you do this, you can see there's another option for monetize. Okay, so you can monetize it for the first time. Okay, now when first of all, I just update my image and other social profile, you can see here. Now click on save. Okay, then we need to go for the monetize tab here. Now when we come over, there's a two option, but we need to turn on the second option, which is enter your affiliate codes for select stores. Now we need to just turn this on, and we are going to see there are a lot of store links like Amazon, Walmart and so many. So here we are going to give our Amazon affiliate tracking link. So where to get it, let's see. At first you need to sign up for Amazon affiliate program. Now when you sign up, you need to sign in with your email and password, and you can see there is a store link. Okay, so this is going to be your Amazon tracking link, you can see here. And there's other options for Amazon associate program. You can see here the product linking and promotion and tools, and you can see the sales report from here, but we are not going to use all of these tools right now. Now let's focus on our today's tool. After you give here your Amazon tracking ID here, then just click on save changes. Now you can see there are other marketplaces as well like GameStop, Walmart or Best Buy. These are all the marketplaces. You can just make affiliate account here and give here your affiliate ID, then click save, and you can promote their products from those marketplaces here as well. Now you can see there on the left of that bell icon there is a plus button. Just click on that and you can create here a a group. So we are going to focus on right now for photography related stuff. So just make a name of any type of photography related stuff, and then make a description related to that group and click on next. Now you can see here we got another new option. When we just make click on next, you can see there is an option for a search product or paste a link. So first of all, let's see if we search any product, what we are going to see. So we just search with a camera name, and we got related cameras here. So we just need to click on the plus icon, and you can see that the title is already here. So for the description, we can just make it like this, and if you want, you can add your own description as well. Okay, and let's see if we are trying to add any product from Amazon directly from our affiliate link. So how we can do this? So suppose we like this camera I mean, suppose you are browsing something in Amazon and you like any tool or any software, or I mean any stuff like a camera or drone, and you are going to and you want to promote it, so you can just make a affiliate link from that there and paste it here. And if you notice there's nothing, so you have to, okay, remember, when you getting your affiliate link, make sure you use the full link, not use any type of short link here. Okay, so here I am using the short link and adding that product here with that affiliate link. Just click on next and you can see that. Okay, so this is the link, and we can use it for any Clickbank product as well. If we want to promote any affiliate offer from Clickbank or Digistore, we can give here that affiliate link to add product from those marketplaces as well. So we just make ready our kit. You can see we are able to add 2 products, so we can add as much as product as we want. And this is the link we are going to promote. We can add this link in our social pages like Facebook or Instagram, or we can even post it in our website as well. And this is just like a landing page. You can see, you can tell it like a landing page. If we promote it, people can just make comment here, or can subscribe to our this store. And also they are save, if they save it, or how many times they just visit it, we are going to get the all notification in our profile. We can see the all analytics. Now let's see how many categories here. You can see if we just click on categories, there are a bunch of categories, and you can see the hashtag as well. So we can also work on hashtags. So this is one of the easiest way you can make your product appear in the first list of this site. Okay, now some people come here and just type any type of product link or product name, and they are going to see this type of product. And if you just do a little bit SEO, you will see your product up there, and there's a chance of say getting sale from the first page. And you can see that there's camera only for 100 product, and the kit 18,000, and only 200 people are promoting camera related stuff here. Okay, so if you just study their profiles, you will understand how they are promoting. All the top branded and top influencers promoting their product from here and earning billions of money from here, millions of dollars. Okay, so let's try to focus on this kit. You can see he is also promoting some products from Walmart and other marketplaces as well. So he add a camera here, and he put the link of Moment and Amazon and Best Buy. So if some people come here and click here, he will able to get this product from all those stores. And here's another thing, if you can get follower, you can make your get popular if you just increase your followers. Now how you can do this is simply just follow other users, and they will get some type of notification, and they will also going to follow you. And what the golden rule of social media is, if you follow someone or comment someone or try to get connected with someone, they will also try to connect with you. So this connectivity will bring lots of engagement to your kit, and it will bring your kit more popular, and you can even make sales. So here's another kit, you can follow it, that how he is going to promote this, and he is getting so many traffic here. Okay, so you need to just little bit study all of the kits. If you have any recommendation related to this, you can just tell them, or you can just copy their work as well for you to make it go. Now in our kit we just make two product here, and we follow 8 people, and you can see if someone follow us, we will see all the notification here in analytics as well. Okay, so we need to promote this link. Now for more traffic, we can do one thing, that we can get traffic from YouTube. So we just need to make a YouTube video, and making YouTube video is not necessary. You can just get any YouTube video from Creative Commons and you can post it in your YouTube. Now as we are promoting any product related to photography, I mean camera, and so we need to get a footage related to photography. So we just search with nature videos and go for the Creative Commons, and you can see there are creators who promoting products from Amazon. So instead of giving here Amazon affiliate link, we can give here our kit link. Okay, so this way you are able to get more followers or more views or more sales for YouTube as well to your kit. So this all I had to tell you, and if you have any confusion or if you want to ask more questions related to this, you can just comment below. I will try to answer. Okay, so have a great day. See you in the next video.